to introduce to you Cathy Reese.
Thank you, Michelle. I really thank you for inviting me. And my name is Cathy Reese, as you've all heard, and I am running for re-election to the Orphans Court. Before I go further, I would like to thank this group for their support. In 2010, we had a busy campaign, and the voters were good to me, and I appreciate your support. I know lots of you were there for us. When I am introduced as a judge on the Orphans Court, most people say, great, but what is the Orphans Court? What do you do? And I'm still shocked to learn that 3 out of every 4 people don't know what the Orphans Court's all about. In 1777, when the court was named Orphans Court, the reason was when a man died, his children were considered orphans whether his wife was living or not. Women did not own land. Times were different, weren't they, girls? We're coming up. I brought with me tonight some signs, some campaign cards, and also if you'd like more detail on the history of the Orphans Court, I have some really good printouts for you and can also direct you to a website to learn more. It is very interesting, especially if you're history buffs. Today in Carroll County, a panel of 3 lay judges oversee the probate process. We review the probate documents, we monitor fees, we safeguard distributions, including those to minors, and when necessary, we hold hearings to settle disputes. For this past 4 years, I have felt privileged and honored to serve the citizens of Carroll County, and I solicit your vote so that I may continue to do so. Would anyone have any questions? Good? I'm sorry.
What is your background for this job?
I did probate work for Carroll County Bank, which later became BB&T, for 20 years, with all the training and everything that goes with it. This is the other side of the table.
Do you do probate work if no children are involved?
Oh, of course.
All probate work?
Well, yes, probate. Now, there are things that do not go through probate. Joint property with your kids, trust accounts, insurance policies, but all probate goes through the Orphans Court.
If somebody had a case where their parent was infirm and somewhat senile and basically divorced the child, married, and a lawyer took it over and gained total control, and this woman feels wrong, would she come to your office?
No. Probate is the period of time after one dies.
Well, the person's died.
Yeah, but you know, I really can't go into that kind of detail, but it sounds like you're talking about what happened before the death. And when I started doing probate work, the man who trained me told me that probate is a snapshot of what happens the day we die. Those are our assets and our situation. Okay, anyone else? Okay. Okay.
Neil Ridgely running against you?
Yes, he is.
Yeah, he's still running.
Yes.
Our buddy in town, Neil Ridgely.
Yeah, and just let me say that on the signs and the information and all, the primary is so early this year, most people aren't going to want to mow their lawns around those signs. So we have the primary in June. The general election is not to November. And especially as far as the Orphans Court, we have 7 people running. 4 Republicans and 3 Democrats. So we need all the support we can get.
How many seats are
3.
3 seats?
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Michelle.